Hey, ngazi nokubheka kwami nje masingena endlini mangikhumbula kahle. Kwakungakubheka ukuthi phela khona okwenzakele lapha ngoba naye akazi noma kwenzakele phakathi noma ngaphandle wayengakhuluma into esile. Into engayibona nje hamba amakani amabili. Amakani elantingana ini otshwala mangaphosisi. Kunye.
Because there was nothing that because he didn't know, so he didn't know as to whether the incident occurred inside the house or outside the house. And from what we could see inside the house, one couldn't tell whether something had happened there. If I'm not mistaken, I think I just only saw 2 bottles of liquor there, if I'm not making a mistake.
Yes.
Which correction? I have the benefit of the language. I'm not trying to teach my colleague his job, my lord. The witness said amakani, cans.
No, you've got it wrong. You've got it wrong. Can can't be a can. You've got it wrong. I'll pop in the class and fit.
Oh, amakani iqinisile lensizwa amakani amakheni.
Amakan?
Yes, it's a can. Then Barkley, I'm a bodle.
My lord, okay. I also have it because amakan can also be, because amakan can also be containers, other containers, which is the bottle that the handle that have the handles.
Yeah. So we admit that it's languages at play.
Yes.
And there are double meanings, multi meanings, and so forth. So it shouldn't be a problem. I think you stand corrected by Mr. Tovan. Okay.